Full twist on ground?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Oh no.
Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from Howtosbybros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a standing full twist on ground. A back full. Alright? So, first thing is, you should definitely have this on the tramp, or you should know how to do it maybe on, or out of a round off or something like that. Just know how to do a full twist, okay? First thing is, starts just like a normal standing back flip. Arms up, bend your knees, jump up, but then when you take off, you're gonna wanna drop your shoulder and twist in. And while you're doing that with your upper body, your legs wanna stay tight, legs together basically like this, at like, I'd say a 90-degree angle. Stay tight. So here, go up, twist, everything stay tight, and try to complete the full. So here, boom, twist around, and when you see the ground, just open up and try to land. So this is kind of not kind of advanced trick, but kind of not. It takes a little bit of power, so just keep practicing it. Maybe do some like leg exercises to get you jumping high, stuff like that. But it is a lot of technique too. So, oh shoot! All right, so yeah, it is a lot of technique too, though. Good technique, but you also need to have a lot of power too. So yeah, one more time over it. Go up, explode as fast as you can. Drop your shoulder, twist, everything feeling tight, everything tight. Go twist around and land. All right. And there's also another way you can do it. I kind of call it like the cheating way, or like the tricking way. Is where I go. I set like this. I step, and I just basically twist right off the ground, which is not like the ordinary like gymnastics way, but like some people find it easier. So you can either do like that or gymnastics way or whatever. Up here, twist. I'll show you both. I'll show you gymnastics first. And also you can take a step too to help you get more momentum. So here. And then I'll show you the other way too. So here. Which is, I'm not feeling too jumpy today, so they're not that good, but yeah, you get the idea. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to do a full twist on ground.